section. Things I don't need to mention. I know love hurts, so pain bring back to the realness that I've been singing. I've tried 2 hours just to see you for a second. Baby, would you let me back in?
It was my first Valentine, you know. Hey, maybe this is the start of a trend. Maybe this is a whole new trend for old Charlie Brown. Maybe this is the start of something big. Maybe next year I'll get a whole bunch of Valentines. Maybe next year I'll need 3 invitations instead of 2. Happy Valentine's Day, Charlie Brown.
One day, the rain will end. Your tears won't be made of glass. They won't cut through your skin. Colors your bruise will forget. Fading into shadows, you'll wake up and you will understand. Waiting for a hurricane, but now you don't need nothing else. Staring out the window, see birds as the wind blows, letting everything wash away what you've been through.
An4rch is sanctuary.